Hey Chandler homeowners, it's Ben Graham, your favorite local realtor, and this is your June 2024 real estate update. I've worked with dozens of homeowners just this year, guiding them through their traditional sale process. But here's something interesting. When I offered an alternative solution that skips the hassle with no showings, no cleaning or fixing, and not even moving anything out, 5 other homeowners welcomed the idea, especially when the price made sense too. Take the Sayk family, for example. They inherited a home just over on Kyrene in the 202. This home was well lived in, but perhaps not well loved, and they lived in another city. So they were able to collect their heirlooms and leave the rest, eliminating a ton of time and stress. For sellers, this means there are flexible options available to fit your unique situation. Whether you want to go the traditional route or prefer a quicker, hassle-free process, we can find a solution that works for you. Overall, homes in Chandler are selling 18 days faster this June compared to last year. But will it sell for more? And the good news is yes. Pricing has gone up 0.9%, which means about $5,000 or the equivalent of a nice family vacation just by living in and owning a home. Now, what does this mean for you, whether you're looking to buy or sell? If you're a seller, the market is in your favor, but timing and presentation are key. For buyers, it's crucial to stay proactive and informed. If you have any questions about navigating this market, call me 480-448-2020.